Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. facebyjdevinci here. I did something fun. Last night I was scrolling Instagram and I saw Rihanna's little picture here. And I said, whoa, we gotta recreate that. I don't know how we're gonna recreate that, but we've gotta recreate it. Lo and behold, I did it. The gods were listening because I said I'm going to do it. So if you're interested in seeing me get this, I don't know how we got it, but if you're interested in seeing me recreate Rihanna's Vogue picture, then stay tuned. So I started off with my brows. Hers are really light, so I kept mine light. I don't have any primer or lotion on my face because I have to draw this. This low-key looks blue. Fuck. Okay, I have to draw this on my face. I don't want it to like come off. We're gonna just do face. Like, let's do face. We're gonna just use Fenty today. I'm using her Pro Filter in the color 310. So we'll just do face. Pro Filter Soft Matte in 330. Why not use Rihanna today? So yeah, when I was on Instagram, normally I'm not ever really inspired to recreate someone's covers or even makeup looks, but I saw that writing and I was like, oh my gosh, that looks so dope. That would look so dope on my feed. Be sure to follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see the actual photo. I actually dig it. Okay, so recently I've been only going in with like one layer of foundation, and I think it's just because it's quarantine and I ain't trying to, your girl is not trying to waste foundation. So this is what I conceal with, because as you guys can see, it's not much lighter than my skin tone itself. We don't want our under eyes looking like. And then we're gonna go in with 300 because this one is more lighter. We're gonna put it on our forehead. I didn't even really have to put that much concealer on my forehead or anything like that because she's got on a do-rag, so. And then under her eyes are really highlighted. Rihanna is gorge and she just looks so skinny and snatched. And your girl's face over here, fully blown. But let's blend it out. I think it's gonna turn out bomb. Like me, when I see something that I like, I just do it, you know? We're gonna use our Mocha matchstick and hit this contour. We're gonna go in with our Fenty. We'll use our Fenty today. I'm sure Rihanna used her Fenty. Pack that everywhere we put our highlight. We're not gonna leave this on long, so I'm just gonna dust it off with my e.l.f. brush. For our bronzer, we're gonna use her Rihanna Fenty Beauty in the shade Caramel Cutie. She definitely looks snatched. Cheekbone is like, who? Me? Y'all, that look is so cute. So I just went up the sides and I kind of brought it around the tip. Look like she really has cheek highlight on, but I'm gonna do it. And I normally start it at my cheek. We're going to not really do that. For the eyes, we're gonna just put some of that bronzer. She looks like she has a bit of definition, nothing too much though. We're gonna go in with our Fenty Beauty, this bronzy shade. Let's do these lines. Let's do these lines though. He gave me the worst do-rag we have. I'm gonna have to go find a better do-rag. We have a way better do-rag than this, but for now, I'm so pissed off at him. We have like the thick all right, let's start. He's a jokester giving me he knows we hate this do-rag. So we're going to just kind of do the outline. Okay, y'all, so we're doing an outline first. Oh my God. Okay, we have a base down. Time to make that base look pretty. What you use really helps. Now I'm using the tattoo liner by Kat Von D. The one that I used first was that Stila. It was a no, so just know that what you use matters. So my husband just reassured me that Rihanna's possibly is photoshopped. Well, thanks for finding the real do-rag. I'm gonna fill it in with this weak black one that I didn't like. We're gonna fill in all the color, and then it looks like hers is kind of blue, so I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution and go in with this blue shade. Now I'm gonna go in with this blue and see if this gives me what I'm looking for. Low-key, let's go in with the lighter blue. Yeah, mixing the lighter blue and the dark blue together, you can actually see the blue. is that tight as fuck though? All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go in with a tinier Kat Von D and I'm gonna attempt to kind of like crisp out these lines. All right, now what we're going to do, I'm gonna just go in, pack some more blue on, and then I'm gonna crispen up the lines with some concealer perhaps. Okay, so now we're gonna just do quick lips, and then she has on mascara. So we'll just mix these two. We're going to overcoat our lashes real quick, and then I'll be right back. Here is the final look of me recreating Rihanna's Vogue makeup. I actually really love it. I'm about to go take some pictures for the gram. So if you aren't already following me on Instagram, be sure to follow me at facebyjdevinci to see how this makeup look turned out. I think I did a damn good job. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future videos, and let me know who I should recreate next. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jan Beyonce.